In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can block spam calls on your iPhone running iOS 26 or future iOS versions. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up the settings app on your phone and scroll all the way down to the very bottom and you're going to see an option for apps down here. Go ahead and select on that. From here, just search down at the bottom for phone to go to your phone settings. And if you scroll down on this page, you're going to see two important settings. The first one is going to be this option to screen unknown callers. Go ahead and set this one to ask reason for calling, which means if someone calls you from a number that isn't saved in your phone, they're going to have to provide a reason before it does ring, which filters out a lot of spam automatically. You may also see carrier specific options depending on your phone provider. For example, you might see an option to toggle send unknown callers to voicemail. If this is turned on, calls from numbers you don't recognize won't even ring, they'll go straight to voicemail. And some carriers also do include the option labeled block spam calls. If you do see this, absolutely turn it on. It's an extra filter that your carrier does provide to block known spam databases. But once these settings are enabled, most spam calls will never even reach you. But that is how you can block spam calls on your iPhone. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.